International waters, guys. When you first hit international waters, you tell all your secrets. What are you doing? No. Spill them.
These two would have created reality television.
We're time-traveling assassins. We kill people, we save the world.
What's your international waters secret?
No secrets.
In the past 13 years, over 200 people have gone missing from cruise ships.
What's this? No shoes.
The carpet is really soft. It's international waters.
No rules.
I like how I feel when I'm with you. You give me hope.
There are no stars tonight.
Billy, I have another international water secret.
I love you. And I'm also sent from the future to kill you.
Go.
You're wearing my pants. I just want to stay here with you forever. I know what you're doing on the boat.
You're a strange person, James.
That's why we get along so well.
You're going back in time?
Yeah.
Take me with you.
Why?
I lost my wallet.
Change my love.